Inequality problem. So let's begin. First question is the minimum marks to obtain a grade A is 75. Minimum marks to obtain grade A is 75. Sarah managed to achieve an average of grade A for 3 of her science quizzes. She wants to attain 75% marks for her grade A. Alright. What is the minimum mark she scored in her first quiz if she scored 76 and 89 marks in her second and third quiz respectively? If she scored 76 marks in her second quiz and 89 marks in her third quiz, so what will be her first quiz marks? So as you know, in such questions we have to create an inequality first, then we will solve it. So let's begin. As you know, first quiz marks is not written here. So we will suppose it is x. So let x be her first quiz marks. So now solve it. X plus 76 plus 89 return equals to 75. Any problem here? No. But you also have to remember the minimum marks to obtain a grade A is 75, and they have given you Sarah managed to achieve an average of grade A. Whenever they write average, so this must be average. Average means divided by 3. We got it? The minimum marks to obtain a grade A is 75. She managed to achieve an average of grade A for 3 of her science quizzes. For that purpose, wherever you see such questions and they use the word average, so average means whatever the score is divided by 3, return equals to 75. Any problem here? I hope not. So in next step, this is the main inequality that become. Now after that we will solve it. We have to remove this 3. So that purpose we will multiply both sides by 3. So multiply both sides by, move this 3, multiply both sides by 3. So what it becomes? 3x plus 76 plus 89 over 3 return equals to 75. Alright, now solve it. Multiply by 3. This 3 cancel off, and now solve it. X will remain same. Plus 76 plus 89, what is it? Yes, you are right, 165. Return equals to 75 multiplied by 3. What is the answer? Yes, you are right, 225. 5 is 15, 3 is 14, 7 is 71 plus 1 to 25. I just solved it directly. You can do it by your own self. Now next step, we have to remove this 165. So add minus 165 on both sides. Add minus 165 on both sides. X plus 165 minus 165 return equals to 225 minus 165. This one is cancel off. X return equals to 225 minus 165. What is the answer? Yes, 5 minus 5 0. 12, 22 minus 16. What is the answer? 6. So answer is 6. Minimum mark to obtain a grade A is 75. So answer is 60. So what we will write? Minimum marks you obtain in first. This symbol means therefore. Therefore, minimum marks she obtained in her first quiz is 60. Remember one thing, we use this sign for minimum. Why? Because we don't want above than that. We want within this range. So that's why we will use greater than equals to 60 marks. If it is written the maximum marks to obtain, then you will use this one. Opposite. Maximum marks means up to in that limit, not more than that. Alright. So you have to clear that point. Return equals to where we use when they are given you minimum sign, the minimum, then you will use this sign, return equals to, and then if it is written maximum sign, then you will use less than equals to, opposite. Alright, I hope it's clear. Don't be afraid, when we do a lot of questions on same topic, you will learn more clearly. Till then, take care, bye. Don't forget to follow my channel Brainy Maths with Kanwal, and also follow my TikTok account Brainy Maths. Till then, take care, bye.